Thank you first of all, for Energidynamics for the invitation. I'm very glad to be here. I would prefer to speak in English, sorry for that. First of all, looking at the role of gas in the energy transition, because I think that's one of the debate of today. And you know, OMV Petrom is based on Southeast Europe. That's our region, our footprint, where we want to develop the company. And I was looking, this week, the development in Southeast Europe in terms of energy transition. If you look at Greece, for example, we have now the third FID for a gas power plant. So really Greece is already in the path to switch from coal to gas, but also to bring renewable with gas power plants. So you see and I think you were mentioning, Christina, the hybrid model. I think it's a good image, to see that we need to both to be able to achieve stability of course, of the network and CO2 reduction. I've seen in Bulgaria as well two projects switch from coal to gas. And even in Greece, we have seen also CNG. There's two CNG plant projects for next year. And looking at the 10 years gas TSO development plan in Greece, both one gas power plant is already connected and two will be connected by 2023. So it's moving. We are already in the path of this energy transition, using gas as part of the fuel mix. And I think that's my first message, that for Romania, we also see this as a model. And Romania has also these advantages with the Black Sea, what we mentioned, to have the opportunity to be the largest gas producer in Europe. So having this opportunity, these resources available, the development of the gas asset in Romania will be ensured, at least in terms of supply, which is, I think, very important in terms of security of supply for Romania. My first message is when I look at all these projects, they all come from private sector. So all these projects in Greece, in Bulgaria, are coming from private sector. So, and looking at Romania, where the renewable development and the gas power plant you mentioned that OMV Petrom developed was also developed by mainly the private sector. So I think my first message is the private sector in Romania is here also to help the government, to help the society in this energy transition. So it's important in terms of access to EU funds, access to regulation and stability of the regulation, to have a fair treatment, I would say, on this aspect. Looking at decarbonization and looking forward, we see for OMV Petrom, we will, in fact, I can't answer all your questions because we are going to, by Q3, Q4, come to the market with the 2030 strategy of OMV Petrom. So you understand at the moment we are in discussion with our supervisory board and on board on these topics, and we will come to, of course, in due time with what is our strategy and our energy transition. But of course, first of all, we see the Black Sea development very important for OMV Petrom to be able to bring these resources. We see the role of gas in terms of mobility also important. It's something we've seen, as mentioned, in Greece, but we do believe in Romania there is a potential. We just received from ANRE our LNG supply license, so we are the first company to have an LNG supply license. So we also believe that LNG, especially for truck mobility, will be a source of choice and will reduce air pollution. We will have an impact on the pollution. So CNG, LNG will also be part of this energy transition, and OMV Petrom wants to be very active on this sector. We're also looking at renewable, of course, because that's a way to reduce our carbon intensity in terms of power production. And we see this hybrid model between gas and solar really powerful because you are both producing mainly during the peak hours. And you have the flexibility of balancing from the gas power plant to mitigate the sun, the clouds effect you can have on the solar production. So this business model we think is very powerful, and we will come back to the market with what's our intention on that. So I think that's my introduction. The first messages I wanted to give in terms of the energy transition, the role of gas, the role of the private sectors, and the importance of gas in Romania.
Thank you.